Hey guys, your boy Tech in the bathroom here. Y'all Yankees don't know no good eating. Got here some nice big frog legs right here, man. Got it cooking in some peanut oil right there. Man. I go ahead and I season them frog legs up, let them marinate. Put them in that wet batter, man. A blender of eggs. Got some jalapeno pepper. Got some special seasoning with those eggs. Man, I just go ahead and get it right. You heard me? Go ahead and get it right. Put it in that Louisiana chicken fry. Why? Because frog legs taste like chicken. Put it in that batter right there. Look how beautiful those things come out right there, bro. You gotta eat those peppers, though. You gotta eat those peppers. Man, I be doing it, people. I be doing it. Man, go ahead and get that ketchup right there. Look at that, man. Frog legs on the bed. Sweet potato, waffle fries, and jalapeno peppers. Ooh. Oh, it's about to go down. It's about to go down. Man, taking a bath, don't know what he doing in the kitchen, people.